Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look now at a vintage Homelite Super XL automatic in really nice running condition. Great saw for the camp, the backyard, or for your personal collection. Really nice Homelite Super XL in great condition. Has a good chain that will need a little touch-up sharpening. It's a nice bar, good compression, fires right up with no issues whatsoever. The air filter cover is from the older style XL12, but in great shape. And frankly, I think the metal cover is a lot better than the plastic. You can buy this now for only $165.99 anywhere in the U.S. $165.99 buys this today anywhere in the U.S. We also sell anywhere in the world using eBay international shipping. So if you'd like a classic vintage chainsaw in your collection, act now, because it won't last long. When it's gone, it's gone, and it won't be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports. One, quality and price matter most.